sticker on that car, do you know?
All right, got the oil for the BAM Ram. Actually had some in the shop here, so we'll pull this here off and fill her up. Got the oil in. Now we got 5 quarts in, so check the level real quick. Check it again. Looks good. Okay, so BAM Ram's good, running, like I said. We got my truck, Dad's truck, and then we're here about 20 minutes, half hour, so we're gonna head over, go look, hopefully go pick those cars and trailers and stuff up. We'll see how the old girl tow. See, she's a real work truck. So that's the plan for today. It's really humid outside. Way more humid than it was yesterday. Just buttoning some things up at the shop. Getting ready to take off.
All right, guys, we just left the shop with my chauffeur. We got my truck behind me and taking BMO's truck here. We got a package deal going we're picking up today. We got a 64 Dodge 426 Cross Ram Wedge 4-speed car, and then we got another 64 Dodge station wagon, and we're picking up some Max Wedge parts and miscellaneous parts. The gentleman died, and his daughter inherited everything and contacted us, and we're going up to pick it up. So let's go.
There's some rope.
Yeah. All right, so here we are. We're in the trailer. We just checked it. It's not locked up. It's a 4-speed car, and it's in gear. So we are going to go ahead with everything and show them this trailer, what we got to dig through here. There's just parts and bikes and stuff, but it's a package deal. So we're gonna get it loaded. Here we go. More footage of the 64. We're getting daylight. There's a pair of doors back here. Getting the trailer also. Then there's a parts car outside. We'll show you that here soon. the other parts car, wagon.
Officially made it. Everything looks a-okay. Strapping down cars and stuff now. Now it's time to get everything out of here.
I'm in here. They're out there.
There we go. Your rear's locked up.
Keep going. Get it up on the concrete all the way. There they are.
There it goes.
We're good. Thank goodness.
Kind of got the unintentional squat going right now. Dad's gonna pull that car out into the road so we can load it on the truck easier, but we'll see how the old 1500 holds up. Whew. It's one down.
All right, they're loaded up. 3 hours later, we got everything loaded. Heading home and evaluate the situation. Hopefully these tires hold on both trailers and we make it home.
Yeah, we got her loaded. Dad's truck's heading back to the shop now. Be taking all this stuff off and out tomorrow.
All right, so we're back at the shop. We just got back, and of course it quit raining, and it's nice outside now that we got them loaded and back to the shop. So as you can see, we got both trucks loaded. Got the 64 wagon on the back. Not too much known about that car. Big block, I believe it's a 33. It is push button automatic. Lots of good parts on that car. And in the trailers, you guys will see in the video, or have seen in the video, 64 Dodge Max Wedge clone, cross Ram, 4-speed car. So, like I said earlier, a gentleman passed away, and his daughter, through a mutual friend, reached out to us. And we went up and looked at everything, and we struck a deal. So, in a sense, we helped her move everything out, Mopar related. And she's got enough stuff to worry about and move, so we got 2 trailers out of her way too. So that's all we're going to do for today. I'm sure we're going to make videos of the rest of it.
Probably.
So we'll make videos of what's in the trailer, what's in the box, and what we're going to do in the future with this car, and go from there. So appreciate you guys watching. This is on YouTube. Subscribe. M Mopars. What's yours?
Braden Morris.
Braden Morris. Braden Morris, everybody. So we got the BMO rig.
The old 1500 didn't do too bad.
No, we got the BMO rig broke in today. It's had a little squat, but all in all, did pretty good. So, all right. We'll see how this goes.